Hi friends. So friends, in this video we're going to see the beautiful epoxy flooring designs. There you can see there are the beautiful designs are available. So friends, in this video we're going to see what will be the price for installing this type of flooring designs. What are the advantages? What is epoxy flooring? And at the end of the video I will going to tell the installation process. So friends, if you're new to my channel then please subscribe to this channel. So let's get the topic. Epoxy flooring gives a sleek, glossy and seamless look to the floors. So as you can see in this video, resembling a polished glass-like surface, it is highly reflective, often creating a mirror-like effect that enhances the brighten in the space. Actually, the appearance can vary based on the type and customizations. There are the different designs are available like metallic epoxy, 3D designs. A clear epoxy enhances the natural look of the concrete or other substance, giving a glossy with look while preserving the base material structures. It's smooth, durable and easy to clean, so with no grout lines or seams, making it look like luxurious and premium look to the floor. The high gloss finish can make the spacious feel larger and more open. Though matte or satin options exist for less shines, custom designs like you can see in this video will give a unique look. So friends, if you are planning to do the epoxy flooring designs, this video will help you to select the best designs for your home. There you can see there are the different designs are available. So let's talk about the what is the epoxy flooring. Epoxy flooring is a high durable and customizable flooring solutions made from two main components, which is epoxy resin and a hardener, and these are two are mixed in a chemical reaction occurs, creating a rigid, tough and glossy surface that built to last. To make it even stronger, additional materials like primers are used as a base coat for better adhesion. Aggregates like quartz or silica are added for the textures and sealants are applied for the glossy and durable finish. Epoxy flooring comes in various types to suit the different needs like self-leveling epoxy, perfect for your home commercial space. Another one is the epoxy mortar flooring, super durable and impact resistant, which is ideal for the industrial areas. Epoxy terrazzo, stylish and durable, perfect for a premium look. So friend, with beautiful proper installation and maintenance, it impressively long lasting in residential areas with a good care. Epoxy floor can last 15 to 20 years, and in a commercial spaces it will 7 to 10 years. It has some beautiful advantages. So first one is the durability. Epoxy floors are incredibly tough. They resist chemicals, impacts and wear and tear, making them perfect for high traffic areas. Another one is the aesthetic appeal. So with epoxy you are not limited to boring designs. Choose from a range of colors, standard shades, metallics like white, gold, silver, or even the 3D designs like ocean waves or the floral patterns. You can even embed your own designs. You'll get unlimited customization. Like unlike tiles which have the visible joints, epoxy offers seamless finish, making rooms look larger and more polished. Your creativity is the only limit. It is easy to maintain, so epoxy is non-porous, so it is super easy to clean, spills and stain wipes way effortlessly. And it is also the moisture and stain resistance, so perfect for humid areas even in the bathrooms, kitchens, as it resists water and stains. With these benefits, it's no wonder epoxy flooring is a favorite for homes, even in your showrooms. So now let's get to the big question, that how much does epoxy flooring cost? Actually the cost depends upon the type of epoxy and the complexity of the designs. So if we'll go with the regular epoxy flooring, the price starts from 90 rupees per square feet. And if you want to go with 3D epoxy flooring, the price starts from 160 rupees per square feet. And if you want to go industrial grade epoxy, it will starts from 200 to 300 rupees per square feet. It totally depends upon our needs and the designs. And for comparison, if we'll go with the regular tiles, which will cost including everything, labor or tiles and cement, everything, it will cost you almost 100 rupees per square feet. And while epoxy will 120 rupees per square feet with the good designs. I'm saying you can go with the basic designs also, which starts from 90 rupees. And even in the tiles also, the total will cost you 70 to 60 rupees per square feet. It totally depends upon the brands and the quality of the material. So there is no such much difference, only 20 to 30 rupees per square feet is there. Friends, there may be a doubt in your mind, that is epoxy flooring the right choice for our home? So if you are looking for a durable, low maintenance and highly customizable flooring options, epoxy could be the perfect option. It is ideal for even in the living rooms, bedrooms. However, if you are planning to use it outdoors or very wet areas, you might need to be explore other options or anti-slip features, even for in bathroom or kitchen. So friends, now we're going to know the installation process. So first you need to be prepared thin, clean, dry and concrete with no moisture. So you have to clean this your floor. And after that, the first one is the primer coat. A base layer is applied and left for curing 24 hours. Second process is the base coat. So this is where your design starts taking shape. So it is applied in 2 to 3 mm thickness to ensure a smooth, even surface, no bumps or waves. Another one is the design layer. So for metallic epoxy, they add those stunning metallic flakes or patterns. For 3D, a custom design sheet like dolphins or water. After that, the top coat, two layer of top coat about 2 to 3 mm thick. So seal the deal. The final thickness is around 4 to 5 mm, giving you a durable, glossy finish. And the epoxy flooring is the best part of this, that the top coat is anti-squid, so no worry about slipping even if water pills. So friends, these are the installation process for epoxy flooring. So friends, if you have any doubts, ask me in the comment section, or if you like my designs or you have any queries, please contact through my mail ID, which I mentioned in the description. So friends, one my simple request is that please subscribe to my channel if you are new to my channel, because we are close to 3,50,000 subscribers. And please support to my channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you once again.